Hi, this video is going to walk through the new follow-up action capability that's available in the NFIRS reporting. This process came about because of the need to set boxes out of service based on actions that happened at an emergency response. This is available if the address matches a box. So you can see this is 3 Tiger Drive. It matches the master box 4246, and we currently have the status for that box showing in service. So we're going to click the set alarm out of service. It automatically fills in the information that we need filled in for the category of the action, and we also fill in the date and time of the emergency response for when it was set out of service, and we automatically fill in the address and the alarm box number. We're going to click Created, and it's going to create that activity tracker at record for us, and it's connected to the original emergency response. So if we need to see why that was created and what it was connected to, then that's all connected together. As a part of this process, we also automatically set the master box out of service for you with the date and time of the record that was used to set it out of service. All of these out of service records are going to show in the filter actions. So you can see I am searching for fire alarm records for this week, and I can see one that's out of service. If we had more that we had set out of service, they would be in this list as well. To set this record back to in service, I'm going to click on that record, mark the action as a plugin, and put in the day and time that it's back in service. Then I'm also going to go to the box record and change the status to in service so that that connection shows throughout the rest of the system. For these emergency responses, if the address does not match a box address, you can still create a follow-up action, but instead of being set alarm out of service, it'll say create a follow-up action, and it'll have the option to choose the category and action, to set a time, and to set a location and a note. So if you have other actions that may need to be created following an emergency response, those can be done through here as well. If you have more questions about this box out of service process or the follow-up action in another process that you need for another function, feel free to contact us. You can also see more about stationSMARTS on our YouTube channel, stationSMARTS, or at our website, stationsmarts.com.